Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop the other day. It's a clock. Looks fairly complicated to assemble, but we're going to have a go at it. It's a big box with not a lot in it. Looks like I'll be needing a screwdriver, or no, Allen keys, they're supplied. Ball and chime clock, incorporating a precision German clock movement. UTS quartz made in Germany. I'm trusting to luck a bit with the camera. Haven't tried this angle before. I'll probably scan that in and put a picture of it at the end of the video so you can have a look at it. It does say additional tools, posi drive screwdriver, long-nosed pliers, and a 5.5mm spanner. Okay. Well, second hand's moving, so that's positive. And when does it chime? 12 o'clock or something? That's got to go forever, hasn't it, before we get to the chime? Oh, and that is very awkward trying to adjust the time. That's 6 o'clock. Yeah, that was it. Well, that was about 7 o'clock, 6:30. Yeah, okay. What do I think of it? Well, I guess it was an interesting build. I think that's the best I can say. Yeah, was it worth £6? I'd love to know how much they were brand new. I'd like to see it chime on the hour. I would say disappointing.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.